Now, there are also concerns this evening from residents of Olympic Gardens about their safety as they are unable to contact the police by phone. That has been the case for several weeks. TVJ's Dwayne Anderson has more in this report.
Imagine having an emergency and trying to call the police station for help. But when you make the call, you hear this. Well, that's what we experienced when we tried calling the Olympic Gardens police station's listed telephone number. And that's what residents of Olympic Gardens and communities served by the Olympic Gardens police station say they have been experiencing for more than a month when they try to call the police station for assistance. The area has been relatively calm in recent times, but is never far from a flare-up in criminal activity. The residents know this and are worried about what the lack of communication means for their safety.
I asked the Prime Minister why we don't have a phone down there. No phone down there, and look on this is a garrison area where crime rate so high. And if anything, we have to run down at the station. Can you imagine?
The ongoing road works in the corporate area is understood to be the cause of the disruption in the Olympic Gardens station's phone service. The leadership of the St. Andrews South Police Station explained that the situation is being addressed.
There's a problem. There's a temporary problem with the lines, I think. I think it's more than just the phone. It's the line, but it has been reported and being treated.
In the meantime, sadly, the residents' safety remains on hold. Dwayne Anderson, TVJ News.